Hey everyone, so for today I want to quickly talk about the continuous improvement process. At its core, it's about organizations always trying to get better even if perfection isn't fully possible. So it's a continuous effort to improve how they do things in their company or inside the organization and make their production, no? So how do they achieve this? So first, they view all work as a step-by-step process. They focus on making these processes effective, efficient, and flexible enough to adapt to changes, especially anticipating what customers will need next. They also constantly monitor the performances, which aims to reduce waste and avoid redoing the works. And there's this idea of constructive dissatisfaction, meaning they are never completely satisfied and always pushing for more improvement. So quality improvement is really about endless refinement, right? So staying flexible and striving for excellence to keep customers happy and operations running smoothly.
Investigating non-value adding activities. Find tasks that don't help improve the product or service and remove them. Example, removing unnecessary paperwork in a service process to speed up customer service. Eliminating non-conformities. Fix mistakes or defects in all steps of work, even small ones. Example, double-checking product labels to avoid wrong packaging. Using benchmarking. Compare with top companies and learn from them to improve. Example, a local fast food chain studies how McDonald's serves customers quickly to improve their own service. Innovating for breakthroughs. Think of new ideas or methods for big improvements. Example, a company creates a mobile app to let customers ordering without waiting in line. Incorporating lessons learned. Use past mistakes or experience to do better in the future. Example, after a failed marketing campaign, the team avoids using unclear slogans in the next one. Using technical tools. Use data or tools to track and improve the processes. Example, a factory uses control charts to spot defects during production and fix them early.
Next is type of problems. First is compliance. Ito ay kapag ang company ay hindi nami-meet yung standards nila or hindi nasusunod yung sistema o patakaran nila. Nalalaman ito by standard comparison or customer feedback. Second is unstructured. Parang kagaya lang ito ng compliance problem, though ito wala siyang problema na specific na sinabi. Ito ay kapag ang company ay walang maganda o malinis na goal. Hindi organized or hindi nasusunod yung mga rules or regulations ng company. Ganun siya.
The third one is efficiency problems. Ito naman yung problems kung saan hindi gumagana ng maayos yung sistema. And the fourth one is process design problems. Ito naman yung problem sa mismong process or pag-produce ng products or services. And the last one is product design problems. Ito naman, ito yung problem sa mismong design ng products.
Problem-solving method. This method is a structured approach used in TQM to identify problems, analyze causes, find solutions, and standards improvements. These are the 7 phases of problem-solving method. Phase 1, identify the opportunity. Find out what needs to improve by gathering complaints, suggestions, or performance data. Phase 2, analyze the current process. Examine the existing process to understand how it works and where the issue happened. Phase 3, develop the optimal solutions. Brainstorm possible solutions and select the most effective one based on facts and feasibility. And Phase 4, implement changes. Put the selected solution into action in the actual work setting.
Phase 5, study the result. Check if this change has brought improvements, collect and analyze the result. Phase 6, standardize the solution. If the solution is successful, make it a regular part of the system or process, documents the change. Phase 7. Plan for the future. Monitor the system to ensure continuous success and look for new improvement areas.
Magandang araw! Today, we're diving into a key concept that helps businesses grow and stay competitive using benchmarking. Benchmarking is the practice of comparing your organization's performance, strategies, and operations to those top-performing businesses. It's about learning from the best, then doing it even better. Additionally, it helps businesses discover areas for improvement, adopt effective strategies, and improve their performance. Benchmarking isn't just imitation, it's strategic learning and smart adaptation. Also, from measuring current performance to implementing lessons from leading organizations, benchmarking enables companies to work smarter and reach their goals more effectively. In summary, benchmarking empowers organizations to embrace continuous improvement. Through it, businesses evolve not just match the best, but to become the best.
Benchmarking helps organizations improve by comparing themselves to industry leaders. It promotes competitive awareness, set objective goals, save time and cost through adapting proven practices, gives businesses updated with new technologies, and encourages continued innovation and improvement. Yung benchmarking ay pag-observe sa ginagawa ng mga top companies para sila ay matuto and para din mag-improve ang negosyo nila. Nakakatulong din ito para maging aware sila sa competition nila. So, sa madaling salita, benchmarking ay ang way para tuloy-tuloy yung improvement ng negosyo. What to benchmark? Benchmarking can be applied to almost any business process, but not all areas give the same impact. It's important to choose processes that align with the company's goals and have the biggest effect on success. To choose what to benchmark, organizations should ask. Number 1 is which processes cause the most problem. So, halimbawa po, laging late yung deliveries or mabagal ang service. Next one is which one affect customer satisfaction the most. Gaya ng gaano kabilis sumagot yung customer service o gaano kadali mag-order sa online. Next one is what being affected by competitors. Baka may bago po silang promo or mas may maganda silang application. Next is what can make us stand out. Halimbawa, mas mabilis tayo mag-deliver o mas madali ang refund process natin. Yun naman po. Thank you. Bye.